Hello, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm going to show you how I got to achieve this double buckle shoe. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. First, I'm going to take this white fabric, place it on my shoe model, pin it, then draw the design. So, here is my pattern. I'm just going to use this African fringe to cut out my pieces. My pieces are all cut out. I have this black sole, which is the outer sole, and the white one, which is the inner sole. What I'm going to do next is to apply glue on both the outer and inner sole, let it air dry for some few minutes, then join them together. As the sole is there drying, I'm just going to sew the pieces together. Just by taking the same piece, placing the wrong side each other and sew them. Here are the pieces sewn, and I've already turned them inside out and joined both of the soles. The next step, I'm going to take my sole, apply glue on them as well as the fabric, let them air dry for some few minutes, then join them together. By the way, the good thing of letting the glue settle for some few minutes is that when you join them together, they will firmly attach to each other. So here are some buckles, and I'm using this punching hole to make some hole on the fabric for the buckle. And if you're wondering why I'm using the buckle when punching, is that it acts as the guide, and every hole that I make will be the same distance. Let me bring the camera close and show you how it looks. Here we go. I'm just going to place this part on a flat surface area and punch it with a hammer. If you don't have a pressing machine, you can use this method. I emphasize on a flat surface area because if you don't, and when you press it with whatever you're going to press, the longer part will penetrate and make a hole. The next part I'm going to work on is the center of the shoe. I'm just going to apply glue on the fabric and the side of the sole. Let it air dry for some few minutes, then join them together. Here are the shoes, almost done, and I have this elastic over here. I'm just going to place them here and slip hem. At this point we are almost done. I'm just going to take my glue and this outer sole, apply glue on both soles, let it air dry and join them together. Lastly but not least, I'm going to apply glue on both the strap and the side and join them together.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.